Yeah, I am now. So now we're walking up the road. That's where the trailer was. We're just looking at debris. How far away? Yeah.
Blew up everything, including the kitchen sink. Oh.
The kitchen.
My God.
Is it full?
She gone cheap.
Here's a piece of it.
All the way up here?
Yep. I was just looking to see how far through debris because I heard stuff falling all down up in here. But I don't see much further than this.
That was the coolest thing we've done. Yeah.
Hey, you're gonna scratch that, and then I won't be able to use it. So we'll probably have to come and sweep this before we come tooling up and down this road so we don't get flat tires.
Yeah. Just back into for us and I think. Here. Take a look, it's got an explosion. Everything here. It's just like a lane.
Yeah, that's probably where the window was. Where one of the windows was. That is pretty awesome.
Just flattened that entire path. Holy crap! You can't see the bottom.
Huh? Yeah. Now it's not a trailer, it's just a trail.
So what was that?
What?
It looks like there might be a piece of the roof maybe. Yeah, that's a piece of the roof.
Yeah. Is that tin?
I think so. Nope. It's tar though. It's tar on
Oh, it is the roof then.
Yeah, this is the roof. Okay.
Aww.